In this short video, I'll show you how to find the XRP destination tag in Trust Wallet. Firstly, you will need to locate the XRP cryptocurrency within your wallet. To accomplish this, simply press the search button and enter XRP. As you can see, there are numerous XRP options or comparable tokens across various networks. However, you specifically require XRP on the XRP network, this particular token. Additionally, you have the option to choose, rather than all networks, select XRP. Then Trust Wallet will only show tokens on the XRP network. In any case, you need the XRP token on the XRP network and will activate it if it's not already activated. And now, moving on to this token. Firstly, it's important to understand that the XRP network mandates a minimum of 1 XRP for account activation. Therefore, when making your initial deposit, it's essential to send a minimum of 1 XRP to your wallet for account activation. To do this, you need to click on Receive, then copy the wallet address and send a minimum of 1 XRP to this address, for instance, from another wallet or from an exchange platform. And here, as you can see, there is no destination tag. Let's first understand what a destination tag is. The XRP destination tag is simply a sequence of numbers or symbols used to identify your payment. Typically, it's only required for deposits to an exchange. So, for example, if you're looking to send XRP from your Trust Wallet to Binance or any other exchange, you'll need to provide that XRP destination tag. But you don't get it from your Trust Wallet, you get it from the exchange. Let me show you how it works. For instance, on the Binance exchange, if I wish to deposit XRP, I simply click on Deposit, then Deposit Crypto. After that, I will proceed to search for the XRP coin and select it. I choose the XRP ledger network. As we can see, the exchange says that we need both an address and a memo. In other words, the XRP tag. In this case, the memo and the XRP tag are the same thing. Then we click OK, and we will see the address and memo displayed. And it is indeed mandatory, because otherwise you would lose your funds. Therefore, for instance, if we intend to send XRP, we specify this particular address and specify the destination tag, which we copy from the exchange. In this case, it will be the memo. Then we specify the amount we want to send, and we send it to the exchange. The same thing happens when you want to, for example, withdraw funds from an exchange to your wallet. I will click Withdraw Crypto, and then I will search for the XRP coin. I'll choose that one. I actually have some XRP in my balance, just so you know. So then, in Trust Wallet, I'll hit Receive, copy that wallet address, head back to the exchange, and then I'll paste the address right here. And it states here that the network we selected supports a memo, and if we need to enter it, it is absolutely essential to do so. I'll proceed by clicking Confirm. Our network, XRP Ledger, is automatically selected. If that didn't happen, we select XRP Ledger manually. In this specific situation, the memo is optional for us. We've noticed that the majority of exchanges do, in fact, require a memo. However, since we are withdrawing to a Trust Wallet and not an exchange, there is no requirement to enter a memo here. We can enter the amount of XRP we want to withdraw and hit Withdraw, and our funds will be transferred to Trust Wallet. That's basically it. I hope you understood everything. If you still have any questions, leave a comment below this video.